Hello my dear students, let us start our class. Last class we have learned that the method layering. What is mean by layering? Okay, layering is a method used to produce new plantlets with the all qualities of parent plant. Okay, next we are going to study another method, grafting. Another method, grafting. Okay. Superior quality plantlets are produced by the method grafting. Okay, superior quality plantlets are produced by using the method grafting. Okay, superior quality plantlets are produced by joining the stem of two plants of same species. Superior quality plantlets are produced by combining the stem of plants of same species. Okay, first we selected a rooted plant. The rooted plant selected for grafting is known as stalk. The rooted plant selected for grafting is known as stalk, and the branch part is known as scion. The branch part is known as scion. Okay, we can graft the mango tree like Malgova, Neelam, etc. on plantlets of indigenous variety mango tree. Here Malgova is the scion and the indigenous variety is taken as stalk. Okay, see how grafting is done. See how grafting is done. Okay, look here. This picture indicates the method grafting. This picture indicates the method grafting. Okay. The rooted plant we stock for grafting is known as stalk. The rooted plant we select for grafting is known as stalk. And the branch part we select for grafting is known as scion. The branch part we select for grafting is known as scion. Okay. First step is peel off. Peel off the bark from the facing side of stalk and scion in 3.5 centimeter length. 3.5 centimeter length. First method in grafting is peel off the bark from the facing side of scion and stalk in 3.5 centimeter length. Okay. The next step, bring the peeled off part in contact with each other. Scion and stalk in contact with each other and wrap them together firmly with a jute twine. Wrap them together firmly with a jute twine. Okay. Next step, cover it with a polythene sheet. Cover it with a polythene sheet and after 1 month, cut the portion above the stalk. Cut the portion above the covered area, the stalk, and below its scion. Okay, cut the portion. Cover it with a plastic tap. After 1 month, cut partially the stalk above the covered area and scion below it. Cut partially. Important point is cut partially. Next, last point. After one more month, cut and detach the part completely. Completely cut and detach the part. When it attains proper growth, it can be replanted in a more suitable place. It can be replanted in a more suitable place and remove any new branches sprouting on the stalk. Remove any new branches sprouting on the stalk. Okay, this is the method grafting. We can graft in different varieties of mango trees on indigenous variety, plantlets of indigenous variety. Here we take Malgova is scion and the indigenous variety is taken as stock. Okay. Grafting is a method used to produce superior quality plantlets, and the rooted portion is known as stalk, and the branch portion is known as sile. Okay. This is the method indicate grafting. Next, we are going to study the method budding. Budding. In this method, bud is grafted. In this method, bud is grafted instead of branch on a plant, another plant. Instead of branch on another plant. By using this method, we can produce different colors of flowers on a same plant. On same plant, we can produce different colors. Okay. See how budding is done. See how budding is done. This picture indicates the method budding. This picture indicates the method budding. First we cut off a bud from a quality plant. First we cut off a bud from a quality plant. Then make a T-shaped cut. Make a T-shaped cut on the plant on which bud is to be grafted. Make a T-shaped cut on which bud is to be grafted, and leave the bark open. Leave the bark open. Next, insert the bud into the bark. Okay, insert the bud into the T-shaped bark. T-shaped cut on the bark. Next step, wrap it together firmly in such a way that bud is exposed. Wrap it together firmly in such a way that bud is exposed. Then last step, cut off the upper part of the stalk when bud attains proper growth. When bud attains proper growth, cut the upper part of the stalk. Look here. Budding, the method budding. See how budding is done. This method can be used to produce flowers of different colors in the same plant. This method is used to produce flowers of different colors in the same plant. First method, cut off the bud from a quality plant. Cut off a bud from a quality plant. Next, make a T-shaped cut. Make a T-shaped cut on the plant on which bud is to be grafted, and leave the bark open. Okay. Next, insert the bud into the T-shaped cut and on the bark. Next step, wrap it in such a way that the bud is exposed. The bud is exposed. Last point, cut off the upper part of the stalk when bud attains proper growth. These are the steps in budding. The method budding. These are the steps in method budding. Next, here is a work for you. Write the procedure of grafting of bud of red rose plant on white rose plant. Okay, bud of red rose plant on a white rose plant. Okay, next, look here. Here, there is a two variety plants. Some information related to two variety of plants are given. You should read this information and write the answer to the question below. Write the answer to the following questions. Okay, first informations are long lifespan, variety 1, long lifespan, low yield, active growth in our soil, high resistant to disease, and needs less nurturing. Next, variety 2, the informations are short lifespan, high yield, poor growth in our soil, and low resistant to disease, needs more nurturing. These are the information related to variety 1 and variety 2. And first question, examine the peculiarities of these two varieties. What are the methods that can be adopted to produce good sapling with the qualities of both the varieties? What are the methods used? Next, which variety can be selected as stock? Which variety can be selected as stock and which one is selected as sire? Next, last question. What would be the qualities of plants formed by combining the two varieties? What will be the qualities formed by combining the two varieties? This is the question for you. You should do your work in your notebook. Okay. Okay, we have seen different methods used to produce new plantlets with the different qualities. Okay, next we are going to study a method used to produce new seed with different qualities. Here is a picture for you. Observe the picture. Here is a tall variety and dwarf variety. And some information related to these varieties are given below. The informations are 20 to 30 meter high. First variety, tall variety, 20 to 30 meter high, yield in 8 to 10 years. Next, lifespan 80 to 100 years. Green colored coconut, produce green colored coconut. Next, variety 2 or dwarf variety, 8 to 10 meter high, yield in 4 to 5 years, lifespan 30 to 35 years. Next, orange, yellow or brown colored coconut. Next, major varieties of tall varieties are West Coast tall, East Coast tall and Lakshadweep ordinary. Next, dwarf variety, major varieties are Chavakad orange, Chavakad green and Ganga bondam. You should observe or analyze these two information related to these two varieties and write down the advantages and disadvantages of these two varieties. Write down the advantages and disadvantages of these two varieties. Next, can you tell me what will be the new seeds formed by combining the tall and dwarf variety? Okay, what will be the qualities? We are going to study the method hybridization. Okay. Hybridization means that new seeds are produced by artificial pollination between the plants of same species but of different characteristics. Hybridization is the method used to produce new seeds by artificial pollination between the plants of same species but different characteristics. The seeds formed in this manner may combine advantages, disadvantages and mixed qualities of both the parent plant. Seeds with the desired qualities are selected from this. Okay, hybridization is the method used to produce new seeds by artificial pollination. Let us familiarize some hybrid varieties of coconut, paddy, some vegetables, etc. Look here. Some hybrid varieties of coconut, paddy, some vegetables, etc. Okay. First, the hybrid variety of coconut. First one, Chandralaksha. The variety Lakshadweep ordinary and Chavakad orange. The tall and off variety combined to form hybrid variety Chandralaksha. Okay. Next, Chandrashankara. The variety is dwarf variety Chavakad orange and West Coast tall. Next hybrid variety is Lakshaganga. The variety Lakshadweep ordinary and Ganga Bondam. Next hybrid variety paddy. Pavitra, Hrassa and Annapurna. These are the important hybrid varieties of paddy. Next one, P. Lola, Maliga, Bhagyalakshmi, Jyotiga. And Jyotiga. These are the hybrid variety of P. Next one, green chilli. Ujjala, Jwalamukhi, Anugraha. These are the hybrid varieties of green chilli. Next one, lady's finger. Kiran, Arka, Anamika, Salkirti. And Salkirti. Next, brinjal. The hybrid varieties are Surya, Sheda, Harida and Nilima. The hybrid varieties of brinjal are Surya, Sheda, Harida and Nilima. Next, last one, tomato. Mukti, Anaga and Akshaya. You should write these hybrid varieties in your notebook. Okay, these are the hybrid varieties of coconut and paddy, pea, green chilli, lady's finger, brinjal, tomato. Okay, now it is a time to wind up my class. Continue next class.